So in this tutorial we are going to make this model. So we have some dimensions of this model. This is our model number 7. So we are going to make this. First I select extrude, select this plane, then I have a rectangle, center rectangle, and the dimensions are 105 and height is also 105. Enter, click here and close. Then I have holes in there. Also the position of these holes is that this gap is 32 and this also gap is 32. So we have to keep in mind. So to make these holes, okay, first I hide these dimensions, then I go to continuous auto dimensioning. I don't want to show it. Then I take circle and draw a circle like of dia 10 and close. Now we have to position this circle. I select rapid dimension. From this vertical axis and this center, the distance 32. Also from horizontal axis, this distance is 32. Then we have to make this circle on the all 4 sides. So I select the dimensions, right click and hide to have a better view. Then I select mirror, I select the circle, then I select center line and this vertical line. Apply. This time once again I select the circle, center line, this time this horizontal line is center and we can see the preview. Then apply. Also on this side we want, so I select this, center line is horizontal and OK. This way we have created the circles. I select finish, extrude value is 10 and OK. Then we have to make this circular part here. Its dimension is 40. So I select extrude. Okay, its proper dimensions are 30 and 15. Okay, so I take whole circle. Then I need the center of this square. So we cannot trace the center easily. So to trace the center, we can intersect the midpoints. Midpoint of this line, I select midpoint and trace it. Okay, we can see the dots here. Then also the midpoint of this vertical line. Then I trace this and the intersection will be center. Here I can insert the values 15 and this is okay 30 and 15. Then I select finish. This extrude value we have is 96 and in the boolean I select unite. I want it to be a single body and OK. Then we have to make this part. So first we need a datum plane. I select extrude. Okay, I select datum plane. Then at distance, this is our reference xz plane and the distance we have is 20. We can make it a bigger plane to have a better view and OK. And on this plane we have to do the extrude. Here I select rectangle. From this endpoint I select corner rectangle and this value width is given 30 and the height we have is 90. and close it. Then we have to make the hole. So for these holes we need circle here. I select circle, and then we have to make circle on its midpoint. So I trace the midpoint here, then I drag it, and here I draw circle, that is dia 12. Again on this midpoint, this dia is also 12, and this distance is 30. Also distance on this side is 30. So distance between them will automatically will be 30, and finish. So we have to make the extrude on the downward side, so I take it downward. Then I select end condition, select until selected. In until selected, I select this outer surface, yeah, and I make it unite and OK. Then I can hide this plane. After that we have to make this portion once again on this right side. So to make this we need a datum plane. I select plane. I need plane here. I select infer from its center to this center and OK. Then I make the extrude on this plane. This plane here and OK. Then we need its dimension here, that is 20 and 70. Then we have hole of 10, that is 20, and this height is 70. Then we need hole in there. So to make the holes, X circle, then its midpoint. From its midpoint I trace it. Hole of dia 10, one more here in its alignment. This distance is 20 from this end. Also from this distance, this end, this is 20. And finish. Once again we have to do the similar thing. I select until selected and select this face here. I have to reverse the direction here. The direction is on the other side. So after that we have to make this square cut here, that is a square cut we are given. So I select extrude, then I select this face here. Then we need to trace the circle here, so I select here static wireframe. On this edge we need a rectangle. On this edge, this rectangle has dimension 10 by 10 and close, finish. The direction is inward and I make it shaded once again. Then end condition I give until selected, and this edge is I select subtract and OK. And I hide this datum plane, right click, hide. In the end we just have to make the fillet. I select edge blend, radius is 20, and on this edges we have to do the fillet. I click apply. We need one more radius here, 5, enter, then this edge and OK. So this way we have created the model.